It's an unknown compound, best guess some kind of hallucinogenic venom secreted by a piscine source, not unlike the earth octopus or giant squid.
So this is octopus ink?
Well, I'm just completing a chemical analysis. What?
Come on, sir, we have to go.
What's happening?
We have to go!
KRYTEN, what's going on?
Entering airlock.
Repressurizing now. Some kind of sea creature, a life form we've never encountered before, attacked this ship.
Its defense mechanism is a curious one.
It secretes a venom, a poison, possibly even a hallucinogenic, which dysfunctions its prey by inducing despair.
Now, that's why the crew members...
And even that fish had committed suicide. Unfortunately, we have been contaminated. It's a greatly reduced dose, but we may find that we do experience bouts of despair and anguish.
What about Lister and the cat?
I'm okay. I don't seem to be affected. It's true, I don't think anyone's ever truly loved me in my entire life. There's nothing new about that.
What's gotten into you guys? This is like Saturday night at the Wailing Wall. Why is it always me that has to be the strong one? I mean, you guys would just fall apart.
We should get back as soon as we can and then take a mood stabilizer, suggest lithium carbonate.
I know emotionally this probably isn't the news you want to hear right now, but there's a blob on the sonoscope the size of New Mexico. And it's heading your way.
I think our friend the suicide squid is about to make an appearance.
Where is it precisely?
Directly above you, about 2,000 fathoms and diving.
Oh, thanks a lot, Rimmer. You know the state we're in, you have to go and give us news like that? You couldn't have lied?
I was lying. It's only 1,000 fathoms.
We're entering Starbuck's airlock now.
What's it doing?
It's trying to work out what we are. Cut the power.
This venom, are we safe in here?
It penetrated the hull of a Class D Space Corps seeding ship. In comparison, we're a sardine tin.
It's moving.
Where?
Down.
Speed.
15 knots, 16, 18.
It's diving.
Course.
Collision.
Do we move or stay?
25 knots, 35, 50.
It's coming straight for us.
There's only three alternatives. It thinks we're either a threat, food, or a mate. It's gonna either kill us, eat us, or hump us. We'll persuade him that we're not that kind of oceanic salvage vessel. Or the scarper, pronto.
To be diddled by a giant squid on a first date? Think how we'd feel in the morning.
Okay, we're gonna try and outrun it. Holly, hit the power and give me manual.
Change bearing, 105. Some natural caverns about 3 clicks away. Might give us some cover.
That's a yo, Holly. New course set. It's hit us.